43 of the lockdown, the number of coronavirus positive cases in India has risen to 49,000 and the death toll has crossed 1,600. This even as India has made several relaxations under the lockdown in order to gradually get life back to normal as it was before. However, in the state of Maharashtra, which is one of the worst affected states, the government has decided there to close all non-essential shops and all liquor outlets after overcrowding was observed in various places. In Maharashtra, the disease has picked up. The spread is not coming under control, and therefore this decision has been made by the state government. Even the Telangana Chief Minister KCR has decided to extend the lockdown, which is supposed to end on May 17th, all the way up to May the 29th. In another big development, the central government has suspended all visas that are granted to foreign nationals for travel to and from India as long as international travel remains suspended. Also, the government has kept in abeyance the multiple entry lifelong visas that are granted to overseas citizens of India card holders for now. As long as international travel remains shut due to the coronavirus pandemic, these visas have been suspended by the government of India. In other big news, from May the 7th, the government is planning to launch mega evacuation operations that will repatriate at least 14,800 Indians who are currently stranded abroad due to the coronavirus lockdown. They were not able to return homes. In fact, in particular, this evacuation operation is going to target those people who are under distress abroad, who laborers, for example, in the Gulf, who have been laid off and find themselves jobless amid this crisis. They will be the priority. Those people who have compelling reasons to come back to India will be given this, will be evacuated by the government first, which includes these migrant laborers, which includes people who are there, who are abroad on temporary visas, and their visas can expire, and so they will be brought back to India. There are under this, there are also people who have medical conditions, pregnant women, the elderly, people who have medical emergencies. All of these will be brought back to India on a priority basis. So this flight plan by the Ministry of External Affairs will begin on May the 7th to May the 13th. This operation is going to last. It's going to be operated in phases, and Indians across the Gulf, across Europe and United States will be brought back home gradually. Also, the Ministry of External Affairs is now sharing the data of the skills of the laborers who have been laid off in various places and who are being brought back to India in order to give them a job when they are back home. They may not be able to return to their original places of work immediately after the lockdown eases in India or in the places they work at. So they need to be incorporated in the labor force in the country. So all of these laborers are going to be, their skills are going to be identified. They will be given appropriate guidance and skill training under the Ministry of Skill Development, and then under their various states they will be given employment, or they will be given the skills by which they can seek employment once the lockdown eases. The Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal yesterday held a meeting in which he announced that the competitive exams dates have now been rescheduled to July. So the JEE main exam will be held from July 18th to July 23rd, while the medical entrance test, which is NEET, will be conducted on July 26th. JEE Advanced is expected to be held in August, and the dates for that have not been announced yet. Also, the remaining board exams dates will be announced soon. The syllabus for JEE and NEET of 2021 have been curtailed by at least 30% because the sessions right now are going to be delayed. All the school sessions and even college sessions are going to be delayed. So the syllabus has also been chopped for competitive exams as well as for schools. At least by 30%, the syllabus is going to be lighter this coming academic session. That's all on this episode. Thanks for watching.